Hey guys, I am back with another shop with me. I am about to run into Michael's because I checked their website last night and they have 20% off of all of their sale items and regular price items. So that is a double plus. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any of the new Happy Planner stuff, but the reason why I'm really here is because when I was doing my search last night, I was searching for, I was looking at the inside of one of the planners, and then things you may like, it was one of the box teacher sets. And that box set was reduced to $349, but it was sold out online. So when you clicked on it, nothing happened. So I couldn't tell if it was in my store. And I know like 2 or 3 weeks ago, they had a couple. So I'm gonna go and see if they have any for $3.49. I'm probably gonna have to scan it. I will show you what I found. We're gonna scan it. So for those of you that did not see my last video, here is my stock of Happy Planner stuff. And everything is 40% off, plus the 20% if you have the coupon. Now stickers, I don't see, only see Grounded Magic. As far as the new ones, so I'm not sure if these are new or not. So I was thinking about getting that one, but I have a whole bunch of verticals. So I think on my channel, I'm gonna show you guys how to kind of do something similar to that. Or if I can find the other self-care one, the calming one. Let's see. This one, the stress management one. I think I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in a vertical, which is pretty simple, but I'm gonna try to do it for you guys because I really want that, but I have so many verticals, I feel like I need to use those. So we have, so these discs will be about $13. And then this will be about $24 after the 20% coupon. So definitely worth checking out. I'm just gonna kind of slowly show you guys the stock again. These are nice. I've never used one of the twin loop ones, but for work or whatever, it could be useful, especially with the hard cover if you're taking it back and forth. All right, so I don't see any minis or skinnies or anything like that. Let's go check out the clearance. So this section right here, this is what my Happy Planner stuff used to be on for the summer release, and then they moved it to the back. So I would say don't get discouraged if they move your Happy Planner stuff to a smaller area, because it seems like they do transition it based on how much stock they order or get. So this is about the same. It still says $7 for this, for all your stickers, and $12 for this. Let's go scan this and see what it says. Still $12. However, that is a good price for this if you need a fitness planner because it's undated. Let me see. Let's go to one of these aisles. Take a sneak peek inside of it. Okay, so the back looks like there's shading, but there's no shading. So this is a very neutral planner. I didn't already have so much of mine are not neutral, but I'm trying to budget, y'all. So I'm not gonna get that. All right, so here is the clearance section. I checked here first and I didn't see it, so I know that there are stickers over here. Okay, so they just threw some stickers over here. But here are the recollection stickers. These are $5. So the alphabet ones, I might have to take a look at the inside of that one. That's Happy Planner. Colorful Bee. I have this one at home. I don't really use it, so I don't think I'll buy that one. It's another animal one. I'm just picking them up. I had this one before. I thought this was super cute. Should we go scan this? This has been on clearance for a while. It's probably going to be the same because it's actually marked. This is where they have some more of the planners. What are these? I always like to check out their markers. Ooh, this is $25. No, thank you. Oh, man, what's this? Ooh, $10. Nope. I don't really see anything else. Ooh, wait a minute. $2. So $2. So they did throw some disc in here. I don't really need. I wonder if I need these for holding. For my archive planners. Maybe I'll use this. Maybe I'll buy this. Oh look, I can get some cuter. If I had my handle, I can buy some cuter letters. These are a little too big for my desk. Always check your clearance, guys, because they usually don't have much happy planner over here or planner stuff in general. A lot of times that just stays on the shelf, so you have to scan everything. But a lot of times they'll have your pens and stuff over here. All right, so I think that's it. All right, guys. So yes, I found a box set. I was so excited. A teacher planner box set. Super excited, especially for $4.99. That was the big. That's why that was $4.99. Last week, or no, 2 or 3, probably 2 weeks ago, because I did come here one time and did not film a video, which I think was 2 weeks ago. There were 2 of those, of the ones like I purchased, and then there was one of the classic size. So they're gone. They did have some like grab bags a few weeks ago, but they were in bags and I could tell that they were only floral. So I'm assuming someone has already scooped up the other box sets. They used to have them on an actual like middle section that had like teacher clearance. This one, someone had placed at the bottom of the shelf of the other Happy Planner stuff, which is why it's probably still there. And this was not a, this was not a unnecessary buy because I use a teacher planner for one of my, and it's currently in my planner lineup, and I'm switching to a big this year, so I needed a big teacher planner. So I'm super excited. And then of course I picked up the disc because they were only $2, and I do like to use them for my archived planners, or sometimes if I have like 12-month planners that I'm not using, I'll combine 2 to like save space, and then I'll go through and use them as needed. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go home. I'm going to unbox my box, just so that way, in case you guys haven't seen the box set, then you can kind of take a look, and then we'll wrap it up. All right, guys, this is my haul. Now, I went ahead and took the box apart because I wanted to kind of save time. So I purchased, again, the Teacher Planner Big Box Set that runs July 2023 to June 2024 for $4.99. This was regular $49.99. And then I purchased these plastic expander discs, which is regular $5.99, and I got for $2. So basically I purchased all of this for $6.99. You cannot use any type of discounts on clearance. So I could not use the 20% off coupon, or if I had any other type of discount that they offer, because they do offer discounts for teachers. I think they might do medical, I'm not sure, military, and then senior citizens. I think you sign up online and then you can get extra 10 to 15% off, but you cannot use any of those additional discounts on clearance. So let me just show you what you get. Obviously you get the planner. We'll do a quick flip through, but it's gonna be super quick because I'll show you the probably full thing as I set that up. You get a folder, which I actually need because I have never had a big planner before, so I don't have any accessories for it. This little dashboard, or which I'll probably use it for, is a ginormous bookmark. It says Hustle and Heart. You get 3 small sticker sheets. I remember back in the day we used to get pretty decent sized sticker sheets in these box sets. I guess they feel like we don't need them. And then 2 little envelope inserts. I'm not sure that I'll use it for this particular planner, but I am using the big for storing some stickers and storing some medical information. So I might put this in the one for stickers, so that way like little small single stickers can go in there. So yeah, I mean, I think these accessories are good. Do I see the value in purchasing a box set for $49.99 versus the planner for like $34.99? I don't know. I don't know that I would have done that, but I will say Michaels did start throwing these box sets on sale pretty early. They were like 40 to 50% off. And then when they went on clearance the first time, they were 20 bucks. I think for 20 bucks, that was a decent deal. I had considered purchasing it at that point. All right, so again, this is a teacher planner. I will just put a sticker right there. And this is pretty much the only, like, it doesn't have anything teacher related. This is the only place where it's teacher related. And then of course this. So what I probably will do is just go ahead and tape this to this. This is the only bummer because it runs through June. It stops June here. So what I may do is just use a perpetual calendar that's in one of the other bigs that I picked up on clearance. And even though the shading and the days of the week may be off, I don't really care. It's more the dates that's important. So I might do that to use it. So your currently page is pretty much the same. You have like little small holidays there, but we're just going to pretty much, I'm going to show you how, like, this is very neutral. So you see it's very neutral. Again, very neutral. So I changed the dates here. I put stickers over here or headers over here because I like to put headers for the rows. And then I redate at the top. So this is a perfect planner for, this is a perfect everyday planner in my personal opinion, just because it is so easy to divide. And I can still decorate it. Even though I use, each of my rows have a purpose, I can still decorate it because every box doesn't get filled in. So yeah, right now we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to just do a quick flip through of the dividers. None of these dividers are like teacher. So I love that. Think, reflect, discover, create, grow. So you have some plain ones and you have some with quotes. I like that it's not super teachery. It's nice because I know that I do know some teachers and I don't know, you know, they love their job and they're proud that they're a teacher. So they do have like teacher labeled stuff. But I think even teachers probably appreciate some of the more neutral aesthetic that isn't always teachery. And then again, June is the last month. And then we have checklist. So because I'm going to start this in July, what I'm going to do is move these to the back. So I'll move July through December to the back. So that way it's a full year. Because I redate, it's not that big of a deal to me. So yeah, that is what I'm planning on doing. All right, guys. So that is my one-stop shop with me at Michael's to see pretty much this whole point of this was to see if I could find a box set. And I'm super thrilled that I did. I hope some of you guys find some luck finding it. Like I said, it's unfortunately, it's no longer available on michaels.com. I'm not sure if the Happy Planner still has box sets or not, but yeah, you can definitely check. I will check while I'm uploading this video. And if it is, I will link the Happy Planners version down in the description if it's still available. If it's not, I will note that there. Because like I said, it is going to vary by location, and being that these are sold out in the like online, you can't like click on it to see if it's available in your store. So it's almost one of those things where you have to like go and check. So yeah. All right, guys, that is it. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, I really, really appreciate it if you will consider subscribing to my channel, because I am inching closer and closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. I am so excited. I'm like just under 150 away. So every person that subscribes really, really helps me meet that goal. And I am truly grateful for all of you who have already subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, that is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.